Today, progress in physical, material, or outer sciences has gifted mankind with abundance of luxuries and comforts. Information technology, communication technologies, nanotechnology, genetics, stem cells, cloning, and now neutrino and so-called God particles. It seems as if we are ready to conquer everything. But outer comforts and inner happiness should be balanced. If outer happiness is far more, with meager of inner one may have to resort to sleeping pills or other psychiatric medicines. Science is one which can make humans happy in overall perspective from within and without, especially from within. So, inner living is of paramount importance. But when I look within, do have I conflicts, clashes, disadjustments, stresses, or inner unrest? Am I having a happy, harmonious human living? Can I have rich and positive inner living? And how can I experience inner freedom even amidst testing and trying circumstances? There are several unanswered questions like what is the purpose of my life, what is in my realm and what is not, and ultimately who I am, how the world is being regulated, how best can I realize my inner potentials. All such issues cannot be resolved by only outer science, and here holistic inner science is essential. As a matter of fact, both are not different but in continuum and complementary to each other. Holistic inner science can offer correct knowledge light to solve all such puzzles, enabling one to have positive, happy, harmonious, rich, and meaningful inner living even in present difficult times. It can make us realize and maximally use our inner potentials. It is said that real self of each one of us is latent and potent absolute. It can also lead us to ultimate goal of human form, that is liberation or salvation. Now, what is this holistic inner science or Vitrag Vignan all about? It is science of our own life and living. It is the science of I, with my own mind, speech, body, my inner circumstances, outer circumstances, and universe as a whole, along with natural regulatory mechanisms. In other words, it is the science of relative self and real self, science of Atman and Anatman, Purush and Prakriti, or cause and effects. What leads to causes and how exactly effects are brought about? What is in my realm and what is not? It can clearly explain subtle mysteries like fate and free will. In other words, it's a science of Chetan or pure conscious versus matter. In practical terms, it is the science including everything from art and science of daily living to the pure absolute knowledge, the ultimate. Human life is a unique live experiment. Mind, speech, physics, inner and outer circumstances comprise experiment, and myself living as I am, that is, I am name bearer and I am doer, is experimenter. Darkness of ignorance, that is, incorrect understanding, incorrect vision, or wrong belief, lead to puzzles and unhappiness. Light of knowledge, that is, correct understanding, correct vision, or right belief, would lead to resolution of all puzzles and happiness. Holistic inner science, offering such light, is useful and beneficial to one and all, irrespective of caste, color, creed, faith, and nationality, socio-economic, or literary status. More so, it is very easy, practical, result giving, and suitable according to present times. It does not ask for any rituals, traditions, renunciations, or hard external penance. What it asks is only for correct understanding of this science. In present times, it was perceived, experienced, and revealed by self realized, enlightened, holistic scientist A. M. Patel, popularly known as Dada Bhagwan, who had natural enlightenment in 1958. Presently, it is being continued further by self realized Gnani Purush Sri Kanudadaji, who was blessed with self realization in 1963. But what is more important is it is being perceived and experienced by hundreds of aspirants, including few of us here. Still more important, science is only one which can be replicated by many more people following the same fundamentals. Here, this science can be experienced by all who have open hearted, earnest inquisitiveness. Dada Bhagwan had only one will, only one aim. In his own words, this science should reach to every nook and corner of the world such that all may attain peace and harmony. He said, I am ready to put forward facts and answer all questions to scientists, seekers, or scholars like what is mind, how does it function, how does mind get born, what is intellect, reflective consciousness or ego, how the world is being regulated. If the scientists, scholars, or thinkers know, understand, and experience this science, then they can explain in their own language to their people. To fulfill this noble vision and mission, Vitarag Vignan Charitable Research Foundation has been founded and holistic science research centers have come up in India as well as USA.